for Spencer County in central Kentucky, northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, north central Larue County in central Kentucky, east central Hardin County in central Kentucky, central Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Bardstown, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bardstown, Shepherdsville, Pioneer Village, Taylorsville, Mount Washington, Lebanon Junction, Hebron Estates, New Haven, Yoder and Haycraft. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central Kentucky. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.